Hi there. Now I would like to show you one of the websites that we use in our department, the business department, and it is typing.com. It is not that new, and it's just one of the websites that we use. It's so easy because the students don't even have to create a profile. So I'm going to show you basically what you can do with this website. So if you teach in a computer lab and you're going to ask students to either create a PowerPoint presentation or do a research paper, sometimes it's nice to do a warm up. So you can just do a warm up, like for the first 10 minutes. It'll be just doing some typing tests or testing their speed, etc. So this is good for anyone really who would like to practice typing. So all you need to do is click here, and there's a drop down menu here that says typing lessons, typing tests, typing games. So typing test, this is where you could check your speed. And there's a 1-minute typing test here, 3-minute typing test. 1-minute typing test looks like this. So you just start typing and it's going to record how fast you are. I'm not the fastest typist, so we'll just stop here and let's see if I can show you the other functionality of this website. So you can also do some typing lessons here. And for instance, as you can see here, the JF and space, and they have games too, but the students seem to like Nitro Type, NITROTYPE.com better. So they can use this for games or go to nitrotype.com. But this is really fun way to start typing and practice typing skills. As we all know, keyboarding skills is a skill that's needed in the 21st century. Thank you.